Life won't always be perfect. Even the good book made that known to us in John 16:33, that in this world you will have tribulations. I believe you know what the other part of that says. Some days will feel like sunshine, and others will bring rain. But the rain isn't meant to stop you. It is meant to refresh you. So, instead of complaining about the storm, why not dance in it? Find joy in the little things. Learn to embrace the unexpected. Happiness isn't about waiting for better days. It is about making the best of today. So, you tell me, will you dance in the rain or just watch it fall?